Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot. And I'll start off on a personal anecdote. Last week, I went into London for a sedate dinner. The sedate dinner turned into a trip to Brewdog, the one with the beer and the slide and the 10-pin bowling alleys. And what resulted was a lot of very happy people of a certain age behaving in a perilous and raucous manner. It was great fun, and I got home the next day because there were no train strikes. So, two things. Brewdog has been planning on listing on the London Stock Exchange for possibly 3 years now, but it's been beset by problems. I'm not talking marauding clientele, but other issues. And according to City Index, it has until August of next year before it lists or seeks fresh funding. Which takes me to a listed hospitality stock, that is Revolution Bars. Now, it's told investors that it has made an operating full year loss. Now, with more of us working from home, Friday nights aren't what they used to be. Take it from me, Tuesday night is now the new Friday night. And of course, there is the cost of living crisis, which is also playing a big part. Well, Chief Executive Rob Pitcher is calling for the crucial festive season to be protected and for an urgent resolution to the ongoing rail dispute. So, who thinks Mick Lynch is the Grinch? And then a chip off the old block, just like father-in-law. I'm talking about Frasers Group, which also owns Sports Direct and Flannels Group. Now, it has entered an agreement to acquire German sports retailer Sportscheck. Now, Germany is one of the biggest in Europe's sports industry, and it's a key partner for global sport brands like Nike and Adidas. Well, it's been a busy week for Frasers, which has also been topping up its stake in Boohoo, having already spent much of the year developing stakes in e-commerce groups like Currys and AO World. Now, this year, I've spent a lot of time talking about share buybacks, which is one initiative used to prop up share prices. And one company which has been doing just that is Budget Shoe Chain Shoe Zone, and there's expectations it will soon pay a dividend. Now, ahead of that announcement, the company announced an increase in sales and pre-tax profits, and that is the outlet where I bought my steel toe caps. Perfect footwear for using when going to play 10-pin bowling at Brewdog. Take care. I'll be back same time next week.